Hey there lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and please go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified every time I upload new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Yes, you guessed right, I had to take down this video and re-upload it to correct some technical defects. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I install this crochet faux lock. So I already have my cornrows down and I've secured the ends with needle and thread, and I'm just going in with my argan oil from Auntie Jackie's, and I'm just going to apply that to my cornrows. And this is the hair, guys. It is so light even without taking it out of the pack, and as you can see there, one pack is enough. It is so light and it's so full, guys. It is so full and long. So this was 22 inches. I ended up cutting the hair in two because just waist length hair is so not my style. Okay, so the crochet method I'm using for this thread is the very basic one. I'm not even twisting the crochet because it is so coarse. I mean, it's rough, it would not untangle. So I just pass the crochet needle through my cornrow, grab the hair, pull it out, and then make a loop and then pull on both ends to secure the thread in place. And that is basically it. I just make sure that the first line at the back was very close together, so that when I do pack my hair up in a bun, it is not so scanty at the back. But then when I got to the middle part of my hair, I started to increase the spacing so that it is not so bulky at the center. And at the top part of my hair, I began to make the crochet close again together, just depending on what you like, as per how full you like the hair. Okay, so the hair is all done and it took me about 20 minutes to install from start to finish, and that was probably because I was filming. It would probably take you less. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges. Guys, work with me. I'm just going to hold these edges and I'm going to lay what's left of them, and we're going to style this thread. Like I said, the possibilities with this hair is endless. It is so versatile, and what would this tutorial be if I do not show you some of my favorite styles or how I like to style up this thread. So first up, I'm going to show you this one that easily comes to mind whenever I see this thread. It is a simple wave part from the side of my head, and I just pack it at the back and leave the ends as is. Another style would be to just pack up my hair in a knot or a top knot and let the ends flow. And this is just my preference. You can choose to take the ends of the knot and wind it around itself just to create that top knot. Another style that comes to mind is just this simple part through the middle, and I just give it a wave on both sides. And another one, or my favorite, would be this all in a knot at the top of my head style. This is probably my favorite. I think I'll wear my hair in this style for the longest. It's just what I'm comfortable with, children and all. So let me know how you like this video, guys. Let me hear your feedback in the comment section. If you would like to try this out, it is inexpensive and it is fun to install. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give me a comment, and I will see you in my next one.